Imagine this, you've spent weeks cramming for finals, memorizing formulas and rereading textbooks. Then, an announcement drops. All universities worldwide have replaced traditional exams with Stoic endurance tests. No more multiple-choice questions or long essays. Instead, your final grade depends on how well you demonstrate virtue under extreme psychological pressure. The immediate aftermath is pure chaos. Instead of lecture halls, students are herded into massive simulation chambers. A future engineer isn't asked to design a bridge, but to remain calm and find a fair solution while a simulated dam is about to burst, with conflicting reports and panicked actors yelling at her. Pre-med students face ethical dilemmas, like deciding how to allocate limited resources during a staged pandemic, testing their justice and courage, not their knowledge of anatomy. Forget cramming. Students are now training in mindfulness and emotional regulation. Physical challenges become part of the curriculum, enduring discomfort without complaint, like standing in a cold room or holding a difficult yoga pose to build fortitude. Parents are completely baffled by the new grading system. How do you quantify wisdom? What does an A in temperance even mean? They call the school in a frenzy, only to be met by a calm, philosophically trained administrator who patiently explains the value of an unperturbed mind. This revolutionizes the entire concept of education. The focus shifts from what you know to who you are. Character development becomes the core curriculum. History majors are tested on their ability to remain objective and fair when presented with biased historical narratives. Business students must prove their integrity by navigating simulated corporate scandals without resorting to deceit. The ripple effects are massive. Employers start valuing a candidate's Stoic resilience score over their GPA. Job interviews now include moral dilemma simulations. A candidate who can keep their cool and make an ethical choice during a high-stress scenario is hired on the spot, even if their technical skills are less polished. Suddenly, philosophy majors are the most sought-after graduates. As a result, many traditional academic subjects start to seem obsolete. Why memorize the periodic table when you can learn to face adversity with grace? Society begins to produce a new generation of leaders incredibly resilient, ethically grounded, and capable of making sound decisions in a crisis. But there's a huge trade-off. Specialized knowledge plummets. We have leaders who can handle any pressure, but do we still have anyone who actually knows how to build the bridge, perform the surgery, or write the code? We've created a world of philosopher kings, but perhaps at the cost of the specialized expertise that makes our world run. What do you think? Would this create a better society or a dysfunctional one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more what-if scenarios.